Welcome to Born to be Crafty. Today we're going to be doing this centerpiece right here.
This is a 3-part series. Today we're going to be doing this middle centerpiece.
If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Ring the notification bell so you can get notified that I downloaded a new video. And let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. What we're gonna need for this arrangement is gonna be a tea light holder. These are like bowls, are $4 for $1 at the Dollar Tree. We're gonna need floral foam, 5 bouquets of flowers, and another candle holder, but these are a little bit different. I want to try them in a couple of ways. We're also going to need, we're going to try a glass plate, and here's the glass bowl. So just the design, I just thought it would be interesting. And then another one is this one that my fiance actually painted the edges on that copper color that I've been using as a rose gold. So you can use it in different ways. So let's get started.
Okay, so here I'm going to be placing the ribbons and all the embellishments that I want in my design. So I'm going to do two gemstones ribbons on the one on the bottom, one on the top, and in the middle I'm going to do the regular ribbon with the colors. I'm going to do this process to the stem of the tea light holder and to the bigger tea light holder on top. For this, you can use hot glue or G6000 to glue the ribbon or the embellishments. I would recommend to, at least if you're going to use G6000, to use a little bit of hot glue to actually secure it in place in the meantime, the G6000. Another option is if you have any kind of embellishment, kind of like pins or some kind of brooch or something you can put in front of these, you can actually make this item look even better. And just a reminder, all those areas where you will put the glass, the bowl, the cup, all those areas do need to be bonded with either G6000 and hot glue. Hot glue will not be a permanent hold. I will guarantee you that it will fall apart eventually. But just a reminder, because I'm not doing it on the video doesn't mean that it doesn't need to be done. I am just not doing it because I am taking it apart. I'm not leaving it like that sitting around my house. Okay, so this is the final product. I got the push light, the LED push light on the bottom. I have a plate. You can use a mirror, you can use whatever you want. Instead of that bowl, you can get another design type of bowl, or you can just leave it on a mirror with just the tea light holders in place, and it's just as pretty too. Well, I hope you like what you see. Please like and subscribe, and see you for the last video for this series. See you next time.